Ever wondered what makes the heart of a hybrid car tick? Tear apart a 5th-generation Prius inverter, and you'll uncover a world of innovation that's both fascinating and, dare we say, a bit controversial. In this deep dive, we explore the guts of Toyota's latest hybrid powerhouse, thanks to a meticulous teardown by Denki Otaku. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=sh0uqyoqhva. Released in 2022, this inverter and motor controller remain the backbone of the current Prius lineup. https://n.wikipedia.org/wiki/Toyota Prius #5th generation, XW60, 2022, but what's truly groundbreaking is how it stacks up against its predecessors, literally. But here's where it gets controversial. Compared to the 2015 4th-generation design, nearly half of the 5th-generation inverter has been overhauled. From the stack-up configuration to the liquid cooling system, Toyota has reimagined what's possible in hybrid efficiency. Once Otaku cracks open the hefty aluminum casing, the dual motor controller and inverters are laid bare. The star of the show: the controller card, which seamlessly interfaces with the power cards responsible for heavy-duty power conversion. These components are directly mated to a robust aluminum liquid-cooled heatsink, a testament to Toyota's focus on thermal management. And this is the part most people miss. At the base of this technological sandwich lies the 12V DC inverter board, a workhorse that quietly handles its duties with minimal fuss. Unlike its higher-powered counterparts, it doesn't demand aggressive cooling. Instead, it integrates its heat-generating components into the aluminum enclosure, allowing the liquid cooling loop to efficiently whisk away thermal waste. The result? A sleek, modular design that, as noted in the video, leaves ample space within the housing, a rarity in modern automotive engineering. Whether you're a Prius enthusiast or a skeptic, there's no denying the allure of dissecting this engineering marvel. Is Toyota's approach to hybrid technology a step forward, or are they playing it too safe? Let's spark a debate. Do you think this design leaves room for improvement, or is it a near-perfect balance of innovation and practicality? Share your thoughts in the comments, we're all ears.